Hey. Get it, gang. They getting it in, man. What's good, YouTube? We out here chilling. I hope y'all can hear me, man, because there's a bunch of Harleys around me. And we moving, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a great day, it's sunny outside, and me and my boys, we ride. You know what I'm saying? How great of a day is that, people? Push this thing to 100 real quick. That's what we do, man. It's gonna be a great fucking day, people. That's what we do, man. I'm uploading this video today, man. This shit gonna be live, man. We about to go kick it in the hills and just have fun, man. Hit some wheelies. You know what I mean? That's what we do. My boy Bro right here, all ready up. You know what I'm saying? That V-twin motor. Sounding like a goddamn Mustang. You know what I'm saying? Man, shout out to everybody that watching my channel, man. I know I've been gone, man, but the sun back out, and I'm so excited. I'm uploading all the fucking time, man, so y'all stay tuned, bro. I didn't stop, man. I lost some subscribers, but it don't matter, bro. We out here, and we gonna get y'all back, man. You know what I'm saying? I never left, man. I just took a little, you know, like I'm operating another channel, man, but it's all good. We chilling, y'all. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? We got about 4 or 5 Harleys, 3 sports bikes. All the sports bikes is Gixxers, Hayabusas and shit. All this all the same, man. Y'all like that? So the story is for the day, guys, we just mobbing. I hope it's not too loud, man, because you know it's a lot of things going on, a lot of Harley and shit, but we just ride, man. We just taking a mountain ride. It's gonna be like a straight ride. It ain't gonna be like too many turns and nothing like that. We're going to Ellis's Cafe. I've been there one time. They got some good IPA beer and some good food there. We just gonna, you know what I'm saying, chill and just, you know, get our ride in. Then I'm gonna go home, and I got so many videos to edit and upload for both channels because my computer been out of service for a couple weeks, and I just got it back today. So, and I was so excited. I wasn't even gonna go on this ride, but I'm like, man, I need to give y'all more footage, man, because I haven't been on this channel lately and haven't put nothing up. So that's what we doing, man. And the sun coming back out, man. Of course, you see I ain't got no coat on, so yeah, you know the story from there. All black everything. That thing is clean, man. Motherfucker is clean. Right. I love it. Hey, bustin' Willie, baby. Man, I ain't gonna lie, it feels so good. Five. What the fuck was I about to say? Anyway, I don't know what I was just about to say, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I got caught up. I got tongue-tied. But look, it feels so good. I knew what I was about to say, but it just couldn't roll off my tongue right. But anyway, like I said again, it feels so good to ride a bike without a fucking shirt on or a coat. You know what I'm saying? It just feels good, man. I haven't did this all year because it's been raining and that cold. And that tells you periodic videos. Ain't nobody been feeling like riding in the cold. I ride enough to work in the damn cold early in the morning. So we getting it in, man. We getting it in. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Give me a lot of thumbs up. A lot of thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed or not a subscriber, subscribe, man. Cause the summer coming up and we always keep it in the summer, like always, bro. Like last summer, I wasn't even doing the YouTube thing. I just started at the end of the summer, so y'all just got the end of what we do. And what we do is so amazing, man. So, you know, check it, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. All right, that's enough of that. Catch me outside. How about that? If you don't hit that subscribe button, you better
catch me outside. How about that?
Catch you outside?
You know what I'm saying?
What is that?
Anyway, for the
what I just said
that already know what's going on and what I'm about and everything, man. Salute to y'all, man. One day we need to meet up, man. I was man, really, I just want to have fun with everybody, man, and as much as I can. I don't know if y'all can hear this music, guys, but I'm playing music, and I'm rhyming, and we filming, and we getting it, and we go, and we going, and we go, and we going. Oh, man. That shit jumped from 65 to 75 quick, like, damn, look, that's that power, bro. I can make it. Look at that shit. Look at that, y'all. Hold up. Hold up. 60 to 70 in like no time. And I got it in high gear. They on the yacht, the mini yacht, chilling. You know what I'm saying? That's living life right there, people. I don't know what I'm saying, y'all, but I like this song. It's all like it be. Yeah, y'all, we out here. We out here. We out here. Baby! Weekend, I think it's called Dark Time by The Weeknd or something, but yeah, I'm listening to this, guys, and I love this song. This is a cool, relaxing, it ain't too good, it ain't too mellow, it's good. Woo, got the Jigsaw thing going on. Can I just squeeze through? Yep, keep it lit. Yep. Tie them red things. Tie them red things. Bounce that thing. Bounce that thing. Yep. Bounce it. Man, Lynn over here with the twin bikes. You know what I'm saying? His blue, mine yellow. Jigsaw gang, bitch. There we go. What y'all think, man? Let me know. Is my Willie game strong or is it alright? I know it ain't weak, but I know I can do better. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them things. I get better every time I put that bitch out. Huh? I just want to be able to wheelie and not stop. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, man. Hold up. Oh, you got this. Okay. He over here clean. in the town car. All right. There y'all go, guys. That's how you flip a town car, baby. All right, yeah. That's how you flip a town car, man. What's up, guys? We about to go get something to eat. We out here in Tracy, California. You know, just mobbing. Hey! Get it, gang. They getting it in. I don't know what we're going to eat at. I'm just following the crowd. You know, it's just one of them type of parties. Po-po. It's the po-po. Tracy 911. We got the one and only Jigsaw next to the other one and only Jigsaw. We got the two Harleys next to the other Harley. Did I say next to the other Harley? And I just said we got the two Harleys? No. We got the Batmobile going on here. The Beast. In the Middle East. Yeah. I still got my gloves on, my helmet on. Man.
What happened? You bought orange here?
What? Wow, that's crazy. That is nice. That's a real handlebar too.
I need different knees and the grips.
Oh fuck! What are? Oh. Oh man, that's cool though. Huh?
You know the brake cable supposed to hold it up. I'll feel.
Yeah.
All right, can I get a grilled steak, monster,
What kind of tortilla would you get?
flour?
Flour?
I'm out the grub. I got the biggest one.
And what kind of meat did you like?
Steak,
Steak?
grilled steak, a monster grilled
Everything's
steak.
nice and grilled there, except for the carne because it's slow roasted. So can't go wrong.
That's the man's plate right there.
Right? Any
Good.
veggies?
Nah, not that.
And cheese, mix them all right, Jack.
Mixed. I guess that though. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, salsa, pico, tomatoes, creamy jalapeno.
No tomatoes. Cilantro.
Jalapeno, cilantro, corn sauce, lettuce, sour cream.
Cilantro. I take cilantro.
Cilantro, okay. Guacamole's extra. The only thing that's gonna cost you more.
Nah, I don't want no go. What about sour cream?
Sour cream? Okay,
And that's it, I guess.
that's it?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Roll it up and go. I'm about to tear it up. Flipping burritos around here. Alright, y'all, man. About to tear this big ass burrito up right
Did you get this the most?
Yeah, that's what this is. Yeah. We put it up, grilled steak. You know what I'm saying? Drink this Bud Light, holla at y'all. Just got done eating, man. Shit all in my teeth.
I'm trying to buy something.
Y'all let me know in the
Like,
comment section
telling me
which
they don't
Harley
make-
y'all like.
Look, I was trying to buy it.
Got
License plate bracket.
got the chrome one.
It's 3 pieces. And the dude telling me, oh, we don't make that. You gotta drill this into your fucking fender. I'm like, I ain't drilling shit in my fender, bro. Y'all sell a motherfucking kit. The dude like, oh yeah, we don't sell that, man. We don't sell that kit. I go to the desk, bro. Just, let me order the kit, bro. They just, bam, I pick it up a week later.
Yeah. There y'all go. And that's what you call 1,300 of horsepower. This thing is sick. That ain't bad though, 18 bands. That ain't bad. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. $18, that ain't bad, bro. Motherfucker clean. Sorry, this been so. Oh, do not touch. Oh, it's already done. Ooh, what's them 20 to 21s, right? That's 26. Yeah, that motherfucker is sick. Give her a kiss. Put the kiss lips on that motherfucker. Not for sale. Please do not touch. Yeah, that's this is nice. Oh, look at this. Bro, you pull up on that. That's like pulling up in a Lambo or something.
It's like a surfboard on wheels.
Bro, I want to just sit on it, bro. Man, me. I just want to sit on it, bro. God. That's a one-seater for sure. That's a racing bike, bro. Cause see how you got a lane? That's definitely for racing. What y'all think, God? That shit, bro. Oh, look at the helmet, bro. I'm done. I'm done.
Yep, it's over.
I'm done. Bro, look at the helmet, bro. That's dope. We got a high boost up there.
Dude, on what's the name that Ford engines on here? On Count Customs?
$100,000 bike deal. That is a crazy motor, bro. What is that, like 2-car motor?
6 zeros and a 1. That's a million.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't even tripping.
The gas flows through this. Here's the gas tank.
Oh, look at this blue thing right here. This little front make this look raw. Oh, them diamond. What is that?
Diamond cut.
Bruh, the whole bike is diamond cut. Yeah, that's sick, bro. Imagine when the sun hit it though. I mean, you the shiniest thing in the street. Oh, the rims is even. Oh, bro, the rims is diamond cut.
Hold on. Everybody look. Everybody come look at this. Oh, yeah. What is that?
What is it? Bruh,
Why
that's
is there a sprocket?
sprocket.
I guess that's the design, man. Oh yeah, this the gold, no, yeah. And it's just dusty a little bit, boy. It look like it need a little shine. Whew. Yeah, that's
It's the electric light. It's my bike.
I got a lot of bikes not for sale. Look at this little thing, man.
Built just be letting all that. You gotta polish your whole bike.
Man, that
right here though, this gotta be a racer. It's definitely a race bike, huh?
Mr. Ness, right there, the builder.
Oh, you wanna build these? I know what that man is. He built all this stuff, man. All right.
It look like your hand grip.
Yeah, that one is nice, man. Bro, this looks like a Harley mixed with a street bike. This the same one as outside, right? No, this is different.
This is about like that one outside, huh?
Yeah.
This is him. That one just lit.
Cause the back definitely the same.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? They just got the rims and all that up on there.
Oh, but see, that got all the cool lights.
Yeah, in the back. I mean,
Oh, that's why you put that big ass rim. The tire is really long.
shit, that big ass tire. Yeah. So y'all seen all the nice ass bikes, man? Leave a comment and let me know which one y'all think was raw, which one y'all think was cool. You know, I don't know if I filmed it right or what, cause the lighting was a little shady in there, but you know, that's just what it is. That's the best one, I think, guys. Somebody already bought it, and it was only $18,000. That is a good ass deal for that bike. All right, guys, man. I'ma holla at y'all the next one, y'all. I'ma leave y'all with this. We'll lead out.